Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn this mango into a little tree like this. Come on. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how we're going to get the seed out. So as you can see here, I've sliced the mango in half, and if you look here, you can kind of see the pit. So you're going to be careful when you do this. You're just going to want to cut around the pit like so. Watch your hands and fingers. And it is a little bit hard to get out. You're going to have to pry the knife around. You just want to slice up, and you can see the pit is being exposed, and you're going to want to save the fruit and you can eat it later. So let's just get all this stuff off here. It does take a little bit of cutting, but the pit is coming out. The more you work it out, you just want to cut around it, cut the fruit off of it, and then I'll show you how to clean the pit out. So I will be back to you guys once I have the pit cut. Oh, we have the pit cut right now. So pretty much here, you're gonna wanna now take this. This is the pit. You can see the white part. You're gonna wanna scrape all the fruit off. You can just do this with a knife. So I'll come back when I have all the fruit scraped off. All right guys, so the pit is pretty cleaned off. Still has some fruit on it, but that doesn't matter. So now you're gonna wanna get the seed out. The seed's inside here. So you're gonna look for the side that has these little like hair-like things. They're all covered in fruit, but if you look, there's all these hairs sticking out of the fruit. So what you want to do is you want to take a knife, insert it about ½ an inch in, and just kind of pry. You want to be careful not to pry out the seed. And you're going to make a little slit like that, just to open it up. Once you have that, you can stick your fingers in. It is hard to break. You want to watch so you don't break the seed, and you want to just kind of peel this open like that. Peel it open, and you can see here lies the mango seed, right? So this is the mango seed. You can either trash this or compost the casing. Now I'm gonna go wash this off in a sink real well, get all the juices off of it, and I will show you how we're gonna sprout the seed. All right guys, so the seed has been washed off. I kind of have peeled this papery layer off, this brown paper layer. It comes off pretty easily, just speeds up germination. The seed looks pretty good. You want more of a white looking seed. If it's all black, it means it's rotted, so this seed is pretty decent. But yeah, I would recommend doing this with 2 to 3 just to have higher chances of germination rate. It's from my experience that you have a 50% chance of having one of these seeds germinate or not, so definitely try with 2 to 3 types of seeds. So now we're going to germinate the seed. There's a lot of different methodologies. You can put it right in the dirt, you can sprout it in water, or you can put it in a paper bag. I like the wet paper towel method. I'm just going to take a paper towel here, take my seed, and I'm going to place the seed on the paper towel like that. Now this spray bottle is just filled with water, and it's with ½ a cap full of hydrogen peroxide just to kill any mold or any bacteria that is on the seed. So now I'm going to get it pretty wet here, spray the seed, and spray this whole paper towel and dampen this paper towel so that's pretty wet. And now you can use tap water too, it's fine, but I just like the hydrogen peroxide just to increase my chances. Helps the seed germinate and will prohibit mold and other things and diseases that can lie on the seed. Alright, you're going to have this. Spray the other side too, just so the moisture can help it seep in. You want it pretty wet too because it's a big seed. It needs to absorb all this moisture. Alright, so there's that, wet. We're going to fold the paper towel over on top of the seed, like so. Pat it down. We're going to spray again, just to get it nice and, give it a nice moist home. Okay, it's nice and moist here. There's the seed inside the paper towel. We're now going to take our baggie, open our baggie up, nice and wide. Take your seed with the paper towel. Let's get some of these bark off. Lay it in here. And something I like to do just to add the moisture is just spray inside the bag as well. Leave some oxygen so the mold won't grow. And you're going to want to zip the bag up. There's some air in there, good. You're going to want to label your bag. You probably should have done it before so it's not wet, but label it mango seed. I think you know it's a mango seed, but you can put the date. Today is March 3rd, so I'll do 3/3/19 mango. Alright guys, so here's our mango seed. I will be updating you once it sprouts and how to transfer it into soil. We'll give this about a week to 2 weeks to sprout. But just an example of what you're going to look like. This is our mango seed that has been growing for about 2 months now, and it's pretty good size. So we have some more sprouts coming on. So I'll keep you guys updated with this, how to transplant it, and how to do everything else with the mangoes. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.
All right.